Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Francisco, and if you guys watch my videos and you like what I post, please leave me a like, subscribe, or comment down below just to help me out with this YouTube algorithm. So if we look at my portfolio here, I'm back to $200. I'm at $215 actually. I put two more investments into my portfolio this week. The first one is AG&C. I bought it at $18.27. And it's gone up 10 cents just today. It's a good paying dividend REIT. It pays 10.46%. It pays 16 cents per share that I own. I only own one share at this time. So this is one of the stocks that I plan on keep adding to my portfolio. I like it as a REIT, so this is one of the ones where I'm trying to have about 10 to 15 by the end of this year for this stock. So the second stock I added this week is NRZ. It's New Residential Investments. This is another great dividend paying stock. I have one share and it pays 12.12%. This is one of the ones that I'm going to keep adding on to also. So if we look here at Nasdaq.com, this pays 4 times a year and the average dividend yield is $2 per share. It pays around 50 cents 4 times a year, so it is a quarterly paying stock. This is one that I plan on adding a lot to my portfolio. Probably 15 shares by the end of this year is what I want to have. It's at a fair price of $16.40 for me. That's pretty good for me. I plan on adding a few every week or every other week. So these are all the stocks I have in my portfolio right now. I have 2 shares of ARR, 1 share of AG&C, 1 share of LYG, 3 shares of PSEC, 1 share of ET, 7 shares of ECC, and 1 share of NRZ. So how I would like this to play out is to add maybe another 3 shares to ARR, another 4 shares to AG&C, another 4 shares to LYG, 2 shares to PNC or PSEC, sorry, and about 2 more shares of ET, around 3 to 13 shares of ECC, and about 5 shares to NRZ by the end of next month. So if we look at the dividends I got just for this January, I got 96 cents from AG&C, 15 cents from Aval, 12 cents from PSEC, $1 from Roy T, and I'm also waiting on a dividend from ARR for 34 cents, and I'm also waiting on the dollar for ECC. So it's not much right now that I'm giving back in dividends. I'm getting back around $3 to $4 for all these dividends, but I only have $200 in my account. So once I add more positions and more shares to the positions that I have, these dividends will keep trickling in. That's the reason I'm doing mostly monthly pay and dividend stocks, so that every month I have some money trickling in, plus the money that I'm going to be adding every week. Again, guys, if you like my videos, please leave me a thumbs up. Go down into the comments and comment something. If I'm doing bad, I'm doing good. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification. I'm going to take you guys over to my Webull account to show you how I'm doing there. So these are my current positions on Webull. The first one is LYG, the second one is PSEC, and the third one is SPHD. So here on Webull, I'm going to try to buy more into SPHD just because it is one of the stocks that I was looking into and wanted to put a lot of money into. That's probably going to be one of my highest positions here on Webull. On Robinhood, my highest position is probably going to be ECC, but I'm going to continue to add to this position on here and also buy new positions as I go along. So if you guys don't have Webull already, I'm going to leave my link in the description. When you sign up and deposit any cash amount, you get 2 free stocks. So I'll leave the link in the description for Webull and for my Robinhood. I'll also leave the link in the description to my Instagram account if you guys want to follow me there. I do daily updates of how my positions are going or if I add a new position. So if you guys would like to follow me there, I'm going to leave the link in the description. So I took a position on NEO this week and on my Webull account. I bought in for around $4.86 and it did make it up to about $5.56, and then it sold off and I didn't get out in time and I ended up selling off around $3.90 just because I was hoping that it would come back up. It looks like it's slowly going to pick back up, but with the virus going on right now in China, this stock is just kind of tanking right now. So I'm going to wait and I'll probably rebuy in at a better price and see if I can get it to grow. This is going to be one of the ones that I'm going to hold for a while because I believe in this company. If you don't know about this company, they make electric cars in China. They're like kind of competing with Tesla out there. They've got a bunch of good news this week, but with the virus, everybody's kind of panic selling. So this is one of the companies I'm going to keep an eye out on, and if it looks like it's going to go up and they release a little bit more good news, I'm going to buy into some positions and see how that goes. But I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to anything I say. I'm just doing this for myself, so don't follow anything I say. This stock can tank in the next month. I don't want you guys buying in just because I'm buying in, but it's one of the ones I'm going to look at. If you guys want to do your own due diligence, look into this stock, do all your research before purchasing anything that I mention in any of my videos, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to get out and have my own financial freedom. But that's about it for today, guys. Again, if you liked my video, please leave a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when I post. Until next time, have a good day.